started about 60.
You can start that today. You've started.
Today I did start the exercise of public participation in bursary distribution, in which case Tharaka Ward has received 5.5 million shillings, and we have also done the same exercise in Momoni Ward, and tomorrow we are going proceeding to Sekuru, and by Thursday we'll have covered the entire Mwingi North. A total of 65 million shillings will be distributed in different areas. Part of the 65 million will go into partnership we have between KCB and Mwingi North NCCDF in a program we call Tujianjiri program, which we are going to sponsor this year, 120 beneficiaries, and that is a shilling for a shilling partnership with KCB, where the students are then sponsored 100%. They don't pay anything, and they are trained on hands-on skills, including beauty, wiring, and stuff like that. So, yeah, we are going to be doing that over the next few days.
So maybe what are you